Hi and welcome back. So let's continue on with arrays, and in this video let's go through arrays in Java. So I want to go through this one at a time, and I will also be adding this as code in ID1. So let me go to ID1 right away, and here I want to choose Java. As I go through this, I will be adding them one at a time here, so that in the end we'll be able to run it and see what exactly is going on. So if I come here, this is a way that we can use to declare an array. So we can declare an array like this in Java. So this will be the type. If it is an integer, if it is a boolean, if it is a float, a double, a string, you'd say the type here. You know, Java is a strongly typed language, so you must say the type of the array. What data type will be held inside that array. And then you also must give it the name. So the array identifier, you can call it whatever you want. If you want to call it students, that's okay. Students array, that's okay. Numbers array, that's okay. Numbers, it's all entirely up to you. And what I've used here is what is called camel casing. So this is whereby the first letter is written in small, and then the next one starts in capital. So if I was to say something like snakes, something like snake oil, and then maybe snake oil salesman, think of it as one in one line. Snake oil salesman. So that is in small, that one is capital, and that one is also capital. This one is called camel casing, and this is mostly used in Java. So in Java, if you want to name a class, you can name, you'll mostly use the camel casing. So these are just standards in programming. We also have another one called the snake casing. That is whereby instead of this being capital, you add you add an underscore between this and an underscore between the word oil and salesman. But in most cases, I usually prefer to use the camel casing because I really hate using these special characters. I have to press more than 2 keys to get them typed, and I don't like that. So I just prefer to use the camel casing. So that's the type. In this case, we are declaring an array of the type integer, and we are calling it num array. So let me take this code into ID1, and I will put it inside here. So that's our array, int num array, and then let's move on. So I don't want the video to be long, so we'll continue from here in the next video, where we're going to do this second thing. So I'll see you in that next video.